Today, we are talking about how artificial intelligence is going to change the nature of work and what you can do about it. If you are worried about AI taking over jobs, you are not alone. But Pichai says it's not just automation, it's transformation, and society needs to act now. Because we break down what he recommends to avoid future layoffs and how you can prepare. In a recent interview, Sundar Pichai warned that AI will fundamentally change how we work. According to him, AI is rapidly automating tasks, especially routine and repetitive work. No sector will be entirely safe. New jobs will be created and many existing roles will be displaced. Now here's the tricky part. Pichai acknowledges the fear, but also points out that AI can create new opportunities too. Like automation of routine tasks frees up humans for more creative and strategic roles, and higher demand expected for high-skilled AI-related jobs. So, AI isn't just a threat. It's also a tool that can boost productivity and open new career paths. So, if AI is coming, and there's no stopping it, how do we avoid massive layoffs? According to Pichai, we need a massive reskilling initiatives, like training people for AI-age jobs. Also need to work on education overhaul. It means updating curricula to prepare tomorrow's workforce. And collaboration between governments, schools, and companies to bridge the skills gap. He says this isn't something just one group can solve. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses must work together. Here is the part you should pay attention to. AI isn't just about coding or robots. It's about skills that can't be automated, like creativity, critical thinking, strategic problem solving, empathy, and leadership. Thank you for watching.